okay. Peep the hairline, peep the meltedness. Of course, that's the line from the edge band, but baby, it's melted in there. And this is a completely glueless wig, y'all. Can y'all see on the edge right there? Lift it up and put it right on back down. Completely glueless wig, so you can take her off every single night, plop her back on your head in the morning, and you're good to go. But when I flat ironed it, it just gave it like a nice luster. You can run your fingers through it so easy, even though it is their yaki texture. It is, ooh. Y'all, these are my favorite kinds of wigs just because they look like they could be your natural hair. They look like it could be your natural pressed, blowed out hair, and I absolutely love that. Because they look like they could be your natural hair. They look like it could be your natural pressed, blowed out hair, and I absolutely love that. These type of wigs give me the most compliments every single time. Y'all, every time I go out, these Yaki wigs, people love them. So this is Beauty Forever's 5x5 Yaki Straight HD lace, glueless unit. You could pull down some baby hairs if you wanted to, because this is how much lace that you get with the 5x5. This is just their put on and go wig. I absolutely love it. So you guys check down below, check the description box. You will see links, more details about this unit, coupon code, everything you need. Check out Beauty Forever Hair and get you guys a natural looking Yaki straight unit.